We're all about the music here. We love bringing musicians from all over the world here to perform. This is an inviting street where everyone is welcome. We're kind of a rising tide lifts all ship type of mentality on this street. With everything that's happened in Portland since Floyd and everything before that, we never boarded up our windows. We've never had an incident. Peaceful protests have gone up and down the street over a dozen times during all that. That is our reality on this street.
It's home goods, high quality goods, small business. We support women-owned businesses. We really try to amplify voices for the Black and brown community in our store, and on a deeper level, it's the books we carry. With the store, we really want it to be a meeting ground for like-minded people, where people can come and they can express what they believe in and who they are with no judgment.
Mississippi is such a great neighborhood. Prost is like one of the best food cart pods in the city. Great beer. It's busy all day long. We serve families, just people of the neighborhood, tourists come here. I feel so fortunate to have our business set up on Mississippi. I think you can spend a whole day on Mississippi and have stuff to do. You can get a nice coffee here, you can get brunch, lunch, come up here, get some barbecue, drink a bunch of beers all afternoon.
One of the things that makes the street so special is that most of the businesses are independently owned. Like, there's no chain stores. Almost all of them are like really small.
We have tons of local artists, which Portland is really well known for. One artist does castings of real mushrooms that she finds in the Pacific Northwest. We have this two-headed cow that's a pretty notable part of our collection, and other vintage taxidermy that we pick up from private collections along the way. Mississippi specifically is just, I think, the most quirky neighborhood of them all, but it feels real. There's happy people living here and thriving here.
What I wanted for this place is to have people start and have their drink here and then kind of walk down the block. I imagine people either coming here or Porcino or Mississippi Pizza and then having their first drink, having a meal, and then walking down to Rambler or Bar or Victoria. So when people go, oh, what else is there to do on Mississippi? There's so many options, but they're all inclusive of all the other restaurants that are down here.
We basically blend hard-scooped vanilla ice cream with fresh local fruit. Marionberry is the best one. It's local to Oregon and Washington. Whether it's the people working in the cart, the owners of the cart, whether it's, you're meeting a random person while drinking a beer by the fire, and you could literally spark up a conversation with anyone on Mississippi. But even if you're a local, you're gonna find a new coffee shop or a new, breakfast spot or dinner spot. Miss Delta's got damn good barbecue. Uchu, great sushi right down the street. You got Pray and Tell, which is amazing. They're in the Sidekick bar. They do fried chicken and fries. You can't go wrong. Got a little bit of everything.